Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that many users might encounter when trying to install MediaInfo Python 3.13 on Ubuntu. The issue arises when attempting to run a script that interacts with the MediaInfo library without having it properly installed. The error message indicates that the libmediainfo.so.0 shared object file is missing, causing the script to fail. Let's unravel this problem and get it fixed. Moving on to the solution, we have a straightforward fix for this hiccup. By running the command sudo apt install libmediainfo0 in your terminal, you can effortlessly install the missing MediaInfo library, resolving the issue you encountered. This command ensures that all the necessary dependencies are in place for your MediaInfo Python wrapper to function correctly. Give it a go, and you'll be back on track in no time. To wrap things up, we've tackled the installation mishap when setting up MediaInfo Python 3.13 on Ubuntu. Remember, ensuring that all required libraries are properly installed is key to smooth operation. By following the provided solution, you should now be equipped to run your scripts without a hitch. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any tech troubles you'd like me to unravel. Stay curious and keep coding.